name is Michalis Busios. I'm the project director of IDET, one of Central and Eastern Europe's leading trade fair in the field of defense and security. I am responsible for organizing the IDET 2025 fair, and I have been involved in the defense industry and organizing of this fair for many years, working closely with defense industry companies, government bodies, professional association, as well as media partners to ensure that IDET reflects the actual trends in this field. This year's edition of IDET, which is the 18th edition of International Defense and Security Technologies Fair IDET, is the record-breaking one. Over 650 companies from 35 countries are present here, and this is almost 20% higher amount than in the last, even in 2023. Foreign army delegations from 52 countries are here present, and that means IDET has really a good position within the global exhibitions in the field of defense and security. From my point of view, IDET is a key platform for the Czech defense industry. The foreign delegation which come always here can see the novelties of the companies and really some high-tech technologies, and it's really a super one exhibition. We have for this year two new topics. The first one is the space defense and startup, because the battlefield is shifting also to the universe. And the second new topic is the 3D industry, because this industry plays more and more important role in the battlefield, and both topics have their own professional conference. Also, the Congress program of IDET is really professional, and some highly rated speakers are present here. We are working permanently in preparing IDET because it's a long-term preparation. We will try to do it even bigger. You know, the geopolitical situation is what it is, so it helps this industry, and we are now exploring new possibilities, and we will try to find some new themes. As I said, space defense, and I think in the 2 years we will bring some new topics, and we are discussing it closely within this show with all professionals and associations.
Thank you, Mr. Busios.
Okay, thank you for inviting once again.
My name is Martina Taberova. I'm the head of the external relations of LPP Holding. LPP Holding is a technological company that focuses and specializes in development and manufacturing of advanced autonomous platforms. And this is exactly what we're showcasing here at the IDET 2025. We can see here an unmanned ground system, UGV, called Hornet. And this is an example of our fully autonomous platforms that are navigated through a terrain with the help and assistance of AI. This is our world premiere actually here at the IDET. We have never shown this MTS UAV system before. This is a system that has been tested in a real battlefield conditions in Ukraine. And now we're showing it to the public for the first time. It is another example of our fully autonomous platforms that use AI and sensors to navigate and finish a mission which is predefined and in the mission computer of the system. We've drawn specific lessons from the Ukraine battlefield, and one of them indicates that in case of a strong jamming on the Russian side as well as on the Ukrainian side, you really need systems that are immune to the jamming. And our systems are immune because they don't need data link, they don't need GPS for navigation. Actually, the MTS stands for Modular Tactical System, and it indicates that you have different modules and different variants of the product in terms of engine, but also in terms of the warheads, as you mentioned. So the system has electric engine or it can have combustion engine. The larger UAV you see, the camera, is a large one, which can fly in speed of 200 kilometers per hour and the distance of 800 up to 1,000 kilometers. Based on the predefined mission, we also install different types of warheads. Well, we have something that is quite unique because of the autonomy, but also the anti-jamming mode, or the system that really can fly through the jammed terrain. And we would like to use this competitive advantage to really strengthen our position on the defense market, not only in the Czech Republic and Europe, but also worldwide. And we want to further develop into our technologies to have different kinds of applications for this UGV, to have swarm solutions, to use our different types of drones, to develop much faster systems when we talk about the drones. So all these technological developments and trends we see in the world that are needed on the battlefield, and also to better prepare in Europe, our future defense capabilities. This is something where we want to, and definitely we are going to play a role.
Thank you.
Thank you.